will be used. Concern. Okay. Any overhead pipeline underground, there is no major concern. And if in case you need something during construction, so you need to have the implementation of work permit system, and this will be controlled by the location, MPS and IPS WMS system, no major concern. Water table, no, this you are not going to have any excavation, so no additional concern for water table dewatering. Any confined space entry you are going in the tank? Santosh?
No.
No,
What
no,
inside the-
no.
So
It will
no
be
con-
outside. All
Yeah.
the
No work is anticipated. No, no severe fire confined.
Santosh, we need to discuss after this workshop, right? Santosh,
yes, yes.
we'll discuss about the MOV after the workshop.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, this is okay. Welfare for construction people, I don't see any problem. Hygienic, sitting, food, smoking, this will be done and this will be monitored by company. For maximum POB is at 10. This will be audited and evaluated by EPC phase also and company audit. ADNOC, ADNO, ADNOC, subject ADNOC, team will have regular audit